Okay, so in this last video, I'm going to show you how to get your models actually printing, should you be printing them yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my desktop. Now I saved my folder in the Ortho, or all of the stuff in a folder on my desktop. Now I wouldn't suggest using that on your own computer. It's best to have a more secure location than your desktop. But you can see I've got my lower models here, and I've got my upper models here. Okay. Keep in mind, the 0 model is the model that is your template model. There's 0 movement, and there's just it's just being made so you can make a tray on it to put your button on the teeth. The numbered trays from there on are actual treatment ones. Since we didn't add any buttons to the to the lower arch, we don't need to print the 0 model. So let's go ahead and click on. I'm going to open up Rayware, which is Sprint Ray's printing software for their Moonray printers. And I'm going to maximize this, and so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab these models, all but the 0 model. Again, I don't need that one. I'm going to bring that in here, these in here. And so now I'm just going to click on a model. I'm going to click on this little guy right here and upright. Click on a model, click on this, and upright. Click on a model, click on this, and upright. I can rotate these models 90 degrees. And slide them down here. Now if you look from the underside, you can see this big rectangle. That's showing you that they're all in contact. That's what that pressing that little arrow does, and that's going to be the very first layer that prints. So you know these are going to lock on really well. And so just to show you, to go one step further, I'm going to bring in my upper models. And in this one I do want to bring the 0 in because there was one button. Copy these in. And once again, click the arrow. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm going to reset that. Okay. Click the arrow. And I'm just doing this for all of these models, uprating them all. And the last thing I'm going to do is rotate them. Now, I'm going to click this 3 times so that the teeth are all aligned in the same direction. And you can see that I could probably pretty easily fit 2 more models on here if I needed. So if I had that 4th tray, wouldn't be a problem. And in fact, I could probably slide all these down here and very easily fit another 1 model here, 2 models there. This is pretty would be pretty straightforward to get a solid 12 models with this. So just for demonstration purposes, maybe 11, because I've got 7 on here. I could fit 1, 2, 3, 4. So another 4 models on here. But these are ready to go. In this case, this patient would be ready after 1 print, and we'd be good to go. If you're looking for any sort of hands-on courses to learn more about treatment planning cases, setting things up, how to approach some of these the more difficult cases, like I said in the videos, this lateral is a pretty challenging tooth to move actually due to the actual root positioning. So if you want more guidance in how to set up these cases, we do offer courses, and I'd love to help if I can. I also try to post as many cases as I can. You can find me on social media at DDS on Facebook, or the same name on Instagram, and of course my website at DDS.com, which is also where we post videos, some of the tools that I use in my office, and then also all the course dates if you are looking to register for a course. All right, look forward to questions, and please, if you start treating some cases, be sure to share them online. It's great to see how other people are approaching these cases and sort of the successes they are having, as well as the failures and challenges. So, all right, thanks so much for listening. Bye.